Hello, all my beautiful, beautiful subscribers. This is Val with This Is How You Do It. I have a whole fish here. It's already been gutted and cleaned. And I have an onion there. And I'm going to put some garlic on here. If I can get it open, just sprinkle a little garlic over it. And then, let some fall down in the pan. And also, a little salt, some pink salt, and put a little pepper. Not a whole lot of ingredients, but something that'll make it taste good. Pepper. Let some go down in there once the juices get in it. And we have some lemon juice, which I probably should have put on first. That way I wouldn't have lost the flavor from on top. That's the lemon juice. I may revisit that salt and pepper stuff. And these are some onions. The rest of them I'll just drop in there. You see there, that's too much onions. I like lots of flavor seeped into the meat. Because I'm going to stick this in the oven. And those onions are going to wilt away. Another lemon. Put some slices in here. Be careful with this blade here. I say it's really, really, really sharp. So y'all be careful out there. Because they did fall in the bottom, I'm going to re-season. Since it didn't go, I didn't season the bottom and it just fell all off with the lemon juice. Just redo it. There we go. Now y'all, let's put this in the oven. Place it up like this. And then I will let y'all see it once we bring it out the oven. Well, this is the finished results of my baked or broiled fish. And I'm going to eat it on my eating channel. So if y'all want to see me do that, look in the description box. Go to Val's Tasty Sensations and you'll see me devour Well, eat it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and try this. I'm sure you'll like it. Bye-bye now.